Welcome to BJ Farms Daily Vlog. Today, we're taking you through the peppermint harvesting process, utilizing both the Swather and the New Holland FP230 chopper. Peppermint, an aromatic and valuable herb, is used in oils, teas, and many other products. To get the best results, harvesting at the right time and with the right equipment is crucial. Let's see how it's done. Here is our first key player, the Swather. This machine is specifically designed to cut peppermint and lay it down in neat windrows. The Swather ensures that the peppermint is cut at the right height, preserving the leaves and maintaining the essential oil quality. The crop is left in the field to dry for a few days before the next critical step. As you can see, the Swather moves through the peppermint fields with precision, cutting the plants efficiently. Timing is everything in peppermint harvesting, and the best time to cut is just as the flowers begin to bloom. This is when the plant holds the maximum oil content. After cutting, the Swather lays the peppermint in organized windrows. This allows for proper air circulation, which is crucial for drying the plants evenly. Drying typically takes 2 to 3 days, depending on weather conditions. Now that the peppermint has been cut and dried, it's time for our second key machine, the New Holland FP230 forage chopper. This powerhouse is essential for picking up the dried peppermint from the windrows and chopping it into smaller pieces, preparing it for the next stage, oil extraction. The New Holland FP230 efficiently picks up the dried peppermint from the field, using its advanced pickup mechanism. The FP230 is designed to handle even the toughest crops with precision, ensuring minimal loss and optimal quality of the harvested mint. As the FP230 chops the peppermint, it is collected into trailers, ready for transport to the distillation facility, where the essential oils will be extracted. The chopping process not only helps in better oil extraction but also makes the handling of the crop much easier. With the Swather laying down neat windrows and the New Holland FP230 chopping and collecting the crop, the peppermint harvesting process becomes highly efficient. These machines ensure that we preserve the oil quality while maximizing yield. This was a quick look at how we use modern machinery like the Swather and New Holland FP230 to streamline our peppermint harvest at BJ Farms. These machines help us save time, reduce manual labor, and ensure high-quality production every season. Thanks for watching this vlog. See you next time.